Before I start off this first video, I want to quickly explain what Fruit Punch is. Fruit Punch is a collective YouTube channel of various YouTubers that are listed in the description below. We will all post content on this channel such as K-pop, Bollywood or the movie industry in general, etc. Every member of Fruit Punch has a representative fruit so that you can differentiate between us.
इसलिए तुम मुझ पर भी अपसेट हो गए और बकवास करने लगे। मगर इट्स ओके, हाँ? मुझे बुरा नहीं लग रहा है।
Hey everyone, I'm Yubin. No, that's not my real name, but we don't care. Today I will rank Bollywood actors in different categories. Before anyone gets heated, let me explain a few things. This is my opinion. You don't have to agree with anything that is said. Second, I will only judge their acting. For this video, I'm not looking at what type of person they are outside of a movie set. And lastly, I might not include all of the original first-generation actors, since I don't know them that well. If you have issues with any of these points, then kindly click off the video. Let's start off this video with an absolute legend, Rani Mukherjee. Now you can put this beautiful woman in any movie that you like and I promise you she will not disappoint. She is stunning, versatile and has a beautiful voice too. Without her the movie industry kinda feels boring, not gonna lie. But unfortunately they stop hiring female actors at a specific age. With no ill intentions, you could become an athlete or something. I just don't get it. Do you read the script, Mr. Arjun? Do you understand the character of your role? Because I highly doubt you do. Every time he plays a different role I always see the same character. I don't even see the character, to be honest. I only see Arjun Kapoor barely trying to get the role right. I actually like Sonakshi a lot, but first of all she needs to be hired a little more often, and then second of all it really depends on the role. Sometimes she has this weird tendency to overreact, but every time she gets a role in a more serious movie she nails it. Movies like Ittifaq are just made for her. Where do I even start? I wanted to put him in the lowest category, but he does have some movies in which he did a decent job. But I still don't get the hype. I can't be the only one who feels like he does too much. His acting is like that of a little child in a school project sometimes. I would recommend him to tone it down a little bit. Come on now, there is a reason why she is one of the best paid female actors in the entire world. Deepika is a person who doesn't skip the script reading part. She tries to understand the character so well that she actually becomes the role she is playing for the time she is on the movie set. Do you get what I'm saying? Never have I watched a movie with Deepika and associated the character with her. She makes you forget that you are watching a fictional movie. This tier is perfectly made for him. I can't deny that he is an outstanding actor and especially plays weird, unique roles very well. But at the same time my bias is getting in the way of ranking him that high. I know I said I would only rank acting, but let me be a hypocrite for a second. I liked her role in Ek Villain, but I barely see her in movies, so LOL. If this bestie would just stop accepting roles of movies with a terrible script, that would be better. But he does play his roles very realistically. He is handsome and he is very versatile too. I can already see the hate coming. People really hate her and I don't really understand why. And honestly I don't care either. But she isn't that bad actually. Especially her role in Neer was done so well that I forgot I was watching a movie. She does too much, just like Salman Khan sometimes, but it's not like she can't act. If we don't like Salman Khan, we also don't like Ajay Devgan. A lot of overreacting. A lot of hypermasculinity. Yes, we get it, you are a man, but you can tone it down a little bit. And also all his roles are literally the same. I've never understood why he has so many fans, but you all know better I guess. You can put Kajol in the worst, Connie Karan Johar movie and her presence will make the movie enjoyable. That's Kajol for you. She looks stunning in that monobrow and I've seriously never seen Kajol do a bad job. But again Bollywood filmmakers won't hire her because of her age, and I find that to be very sad. Especially when the male counterparts are literally getting roles of 20 years old characters as we speak. I think Varun is cute, I like him. But definitely not as an actor. He is like a small Salman Khan. I can't take the movies seriously that he is part of because he is like a comedian. But not intentionally. I feel like when I'm watching his movies I'm not laughing at the jokes but I'm laughing at him. There is just no other way to describe it. I'm sorry. Before you hate me, hear me out. There should actually be two rankings. One for the old pre-2010 SRK, who would be ranked on the top tier, and one for the post-2010 SRK, who would definitely get the lowest tier. I feel like every human being should be self-aware, right? I guess you agree. Then why is a 55 years old Shah Rukh Khan playing the role of a college student in 2020? Now obviously that didn't happen, but it feels like it. He needs to start accepting roles of fathers, and there is nothing wrong with that. I mean, look at Amitabh Bachchan. Sorry for pronouncing the name like that, but I'm a text-to-speech robot. There is this strong urge to put her in the overrated tier, but if I'm honest with myself, her acting isn't even bad. Like at all. I watched Razi and she played that role so naturally. I think many people have issues with taking her seriously in serious roles because she has such a cute and small face, and I get that. Yet she is far from being a bad actress. Is this man even real? I seriously have no words. The amount of talent that you need to have to portray your given character this authentic. There was this story going around, I don't know if true or not, that he needed to get therapy after his role as a Lordin because he couldn't stop behaving like him. I find this to be very fascinating. I feel bad for ranking her that low, because I like her, but to be honest, her acting does make me cringe a little sometimes. It improved over the years for sure, but there was such a huge hype around her and I didn't understand it. Not to be rude, but he is kinda like a robot and a little monotone. I do like him a lot. In fact, he is my favorite male actor in the industry, but I feel like he is lacking some emotions sometimes. Maybe I'm just used to overreacting and he is actually doing a great job. Guess we'll never know. I am including her because she is the biggest actor in Bollywood, but honestly I only watched her movies when I was a little kid and I barely remember anything. So I'm trusting the previous generation and I'm ranking her that high. I think he is what Ajay Devgan thinks he is. Now when I see his more recent movies, he actually does such a decent job. I don't think he could play crazy roles like Ranbir or Ranveer. But when portraying regular main characters he does well. But if it was for his old movies, he would rank much lower. Because those were just terrible. Kareena is the best thing that happened to the Bollywood industry. I don't care how much you hate her. She brights up every movie she is part of. I can't help myself but smile every time I see her in a movie. I don't think there is any movie of her that I dislike. She is just that good. I have not much to say, I just simply don't get the hype. Someone explain it to me. I guess he does a good job. Actually he does a very good job, but he gives off very arrogant vibes, that's why he ranks third. LOL, how can I serve you my queen? Give her more roles, you dumb Bollywood industry. Like she is seriously such a gem. I wish people appreciated her more. At first I wanted to put him lower, but then I thought to myself, you know what, it's fine. You can dislike a person and still acknowledge that they are hot and a great actor. Since I'm kinda getting sick of editing, let's speed run through the rest. For Akshay Kumar, great actor, doesn't do too much, very likable. Pretty's into Where Are You My Queen? I miss you in the industry, you were so cute. Janelia, the same goes for you. Amir Khan, you know how to master complex and different roles. Imran Khan, you barely show up in movies but all of your acts were great so far. Priyanka Chopra, keep your political thoughts to yourself now, but other than that you are a great actor. In Bollywood at least, not so much in Hollywood. Vicky, you are a hidden gem. I hope you get more attention, and bye Pasha, even though you don't know how to act, you are a very likable actress.